This short video will show you how to use the new nesting macros that we've been developing in the last month. So first of all, we have a new icon around here that will fire up a new form for nesting. So what we have in that is that we can start with a new block, or we can use an existing block that we don't have right now. But let's start with a 1000 millimeter block with a 20 millimeter thickness. Let's say we would like to use a 15 millimeter clearance between parts because we're using a half-inch end mill to cut them out. And this is the label that will be put onto each part. So let's say we want it to be 10 millimeters height. We can then add parts. I'll select all these three. And we can set the quantity of each part. So let's say I want four of those, and maybe 15 of those. And we can also set the priority. By default, the nesting will start from the biggest to the smallest. So I know this one is the smallest. I can still put a priority of 2, but the result is going to be the same in this case. Once this is done, I can simply click on OK. And FeatureCAM will load in every part one by one, create a group with the features, and bring these features into the new nested document. Once this is done, it will transfer every solid model into PowerShape, and then the model will be nested directly into PowerShape. So, like I said, right now we absolutely need to have a solid model into every FM file to be nested. So like we can see, PowerShape is nesting the file, and then the macro will stop and ask me to modify the position of a part if I'm not happy with it. So just for fun, I could move this one right here and say, okay, that's fine. I'm happy with it. Click on OK and let it continue. So now it's analyzing the position of every part that was nested in this document. Once this is done, it will send them back to FeatureCAM to be placed at the correct location. So now we're back to FeatureCAM, and everything is being copied into the new location. Like you can see, I've set up a progress bar so we can see how long it's going to take before everything is finally nested in the new document. Once everything is placed finally, the macro will ask us if we would like to use the remaining stock for a later use. So I can take a look and see that I still have a bit of material left here that could be used to place other parts. So yes, I could say that I would like to use this stock later. So simply click on OK. FeatureCAM will do a 3D simulation and save this stock to be used later. Almost done. So nesting is completed. And if I start the macro again, just re-click on the button here, now you can see that we have a new stock which is there, which is the remaining material that we currently have on screen.